So I just got this as a gift. Obviously you can change the colors and everything in Razer's Synapse, which will automatically download as soon as you plug it in. Here is the mic. Comes out just like that, and you can always just like slowly put it in. You can also adjust it on the side by pulling up or pushing down, whatever. Here's the model. There's some things you might want to know about this, such as active noise cancelling microphone, all that. And look at what that says. THX. Here are some other things, but you can also find this on your box, so yeah. And here's the back. Anyways guys, thank you for watching. Subscribe for more videos. Of course, it's from Razer. But yeah, see you guys later.